So hi, I'm Chauntel, and I'm so excited that you are here.
Hi guys. My name is Chauntel from Chauntel.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel, and we hope that you love the video.
I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Chauntel, and I am here to help you live a more meaningful and natural life. So in this Vox box, we have a little bit of information, and I'm super excited because I haven't done one of these in a while. And if you're just getting started doing reviews, Influencer is a great place to start. If you're interested, I'll put the information for you on naturallychauntel.com and in the description box below. I did read this a little bit, and both of the products here are really made for us that have dry skin. Okay, so one of them is the Hydro Essence, and it helps give our skin hydrating effects, and then the gel helps with hydration. Okay, so I really need that because if I get really close, you guys can see that I've got a color differentiation, and that is because my skin is really dry in this hot California weather. Like this video if you know what I'm talking about. So it says Water Bank Hydro Essence. So I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh, I love this blue. It is such a pretty blue. I'm already feeling calm, like time for spa day for mommy, okay? So this says Water Bank, and it's so super cute packaging. You guys see that? And I'll give you guys like another pan of it. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit on my skin. Let's see. Okay, so the consistency, it's pretty watery. Okay, it's kind of just gonna drip, drip, drip. But I'm gonna rub it in, kind of see how that feels. It actually, I can feel hydrating. The real test is what happens in about an hour. That's how I'll know. And if you guys want to know kind of what does happen, definitely check out the blog link because I will update it with my actual reactions to how this product does on my skin, because everything feels good, you know, the first 10 seconds, but it's, you know, how does it do? How does it continue? And I'm really excited because I've been thinking, you know, I really need to do some work on my skin because it's just peeling, and I need to take better care of it. So I'm excited to try this out and let you guys know, those of you out there with dry skin, and you know what I'm talking about, especially on your face. You know, I'm 31 and I wanted to make sure that I'm keeping my skin looking good for a long time. Pop that right off, pop the lid off. And it's like a cream. Look at that. Super cute, right? It's like a white and blue packaging. And it says this is the gel, the hydro gel. And they give you this cute little, I don't even know what you call this, stick. Oh, dip. Okay, I'm put that right on top. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, you see. And it feels good. I'm gonna try it on my face, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I think, because I think I'm actually gonna be doing some natural treatments for my skin because my face has just been going through. If you guys have any tips, if you guys have used this product or any other products by Laneige, let me know. That sounds so sophisticated, right? You can follow me on Instagram for all the updates. If you guys loved it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see ya on the next one. Hugs and kisses. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can get some more of this goodness. Unlock though. I can't believe they wrote that down. I loved it. I really did. Did y'all love it? I loved it.